You could have just clicked the A.
Why?
Why is that?
Button that you gotta click.
Here. Oh, I'm supposed to do that.
No, you don't. No, Mom. Mom.
Mom,
What? Oh. Hey, you're on difficult.
That's okay. Just leave it.
No. Oh, no. Hey, John, man, I can't do this shit.
Adrian. Can I steal Adrian for a second?
You do these two. You're supposed to be playing here. You suck. I have an asthma attack.
you fail.
Adrian.
Hey! Okay, where'd the game go?
You weren't hitting enough notes, so you failed.
Well, you put me on. I've never even played this stupid shit before.
You wanted to play.